Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox Player Installer is running. First method is right-click Roblox Player, click Close Window. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Open Roblox folder, open version folder, open version number folder. Open Roblox Player Launcher if available. Second method is right-click Roblox Player shortcut, click Open File Location. Open Roblox Player Launcher. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %local app data %. Delete Roblox folder. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %temp %. Delete Roblox folder. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Uninstall Roblox Player for admin. Open any browser, search with Roblox. Login or sign up with Roblox. Select any game, click Play. Click Open. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.